All right. So paragraph 5. Indicate what you expect the results to be based on the theory used in this study. All right, so we're going to skip a few paragraphs and go specifically to the paragraph that corresponds with our paragraph 5. Just a note, these dissertation, or Dr. Walker's dissertation, or any dissertation, does not perfectly conform to our framework. But in general, they do. That's why I color code them. All right. If there are or lack of adjacencies between paragraphs, then I highlight the paragraphs that correspond with the different paragraphs in our framework. All right. All right. So for paragraph 5, this is the paragraph that corresponds with paragraph 5. Indicate what you expect the results to be based on the theory used in the study. The use of gaming sites are potentially related to marital quality because the frequency of gaming. Based on the principles of attachment theory, it is expected that those with greater adult attachment, secure and preoccupied, will have higher marital quality with less conflicts and neglect related to MMORPGs. MMORPGs, okay, so that's the first one, right? This is the first expectation. MMORPGs will have less effect on lack of intimacy and affection with those with less adult attachment, dismissing and fearful, keeping time spent playing MMORPGs constant. It is expected that those with less adult attachment will experience lower marital quality with more conflicts and neglect related to MMORPGs, and that MMORPGs will have more effect on lack of intimacy and affection. The disruption in communication between spouses caused by game playing may affect the mutuality in the family relationships and marital quality operationalized as conflict, neglect, intimacy, and affection, possibly changing how the attachment relationship is shaped. All right. So let me provide a little clarity here. If you have 3 research questions, the way you want to write this paragraph is as follows. Research question 1 states this. Based on this research question, or based on the theoretical framework, attachment theory, we expect the result of this research question to be XYZ. Research question 2 states blah, blah, blah. Based on the theoretical framework, we expect the results of this research question to be XYZ. Okay? That's another way that you can write it. Okay? That's another formula you can use. This is one formula, and what I've just done is given you a second formula. All right? All right, so once you finish writing this paragraph, you will be done. And you can go on to the next section, which is the literature review section, which is the largest section in this chapter. All right? So write paragraph 5 or paragraph 4 if you only use one paragraph here. And then we will move on to the literature review section.